Mama always said life was like a box of muffins. You never know what you're gonna get inside of them. Let's get into this. Oh my gosh. That was hard. I'm using 2 packets, so it's going to be double the recipe. You need corn mix. I didn't even know cornbread, because this is cornbread, made different flavors. That's kind of cool. I thought cornbread was just regular cornbread like you get, you know, Southern knows about cornbread. I love me some cornbread. I never tried to flavor cornbread myself though, because I didn't think, I guess you could, until I seen these. These are pretty awesome. We have 2 boxes corn mix. We also have a 1/2 cup. If you make 1 box, it's 1/4 cup of milk. It's 1 egg a box, but since I'm gonna have 2 boxes, 2 eggs. Let's go ahead and crack this open. I don't know if you guys remember KFC. They used to, with like their dinner meals, they used to give you muffins, well, like actual muffins. Now they're biscuits. I don't like their biscuits. I mean, if I do eat their biscuits, it will be with some honey on top of it. The only way I'll eat KFC's biscuits. They're too plain. They have no flavor to them, and the honey gives it the sweetness. You need a muffin tin. You can either butter it or use the muffin cups. And then you just go ahead and blend this all together. It will be lumpy, but you want that. This is also my Pamper Chef bowl. This is what I got when I joined Pamper Chef in 2018 as a consultant. We use it all the time. Pancakes. And this is also my mixing from Pamper Chef too. I got this on in my new kit. Oh no, it's not mixed yet. Do we still see white powder? Oh yeah. This looks like cake. How much stuff you make that actually does look like cake in the start of it. It don't taste like it. It actually tastes like muffins. Okay, I will say that is about good. You just want to fill the cups up 2/3 of the way from the top. Each one of them. I think that was a little bit too much there. Let me also go ahead and put the oven on 400. Preheat to 400. Apparently my 2/3 I'm not really sure about the measurement. The paper goes down into the pan when you fill them up. Watch, some of these, the end ones are probably gonna have the most blueberry. There's all the blueberries at the bottom. Sorry for the mess here. Yeah, it gets messy when you pour them in. I made 2 boxes to make 12 little muffins. That's heavy. I had carpal tunnel surgery on this, 2 months ago? It's not really healed all that way because that was heavy. We can't do it anymore, honey. Maybe that was the wrong way to do it. Don't mind me, please. All right, we just got a few more here to fill.
You can do it.
I can do it. You're gonna have some muffins like overfull, some muffins not filled enough. Yeah, I still have more left. Okay, let me see. The one in the middle needs more. These ones seem like they're gonna be perfect. I'm not sure. I was just eyeing it. Oh, all done anyways. Now can I at least clean that up? They're all messy. And I'm wearing blue to match my theme of blueberry. Yes. Gotta clean this. Oh. Let me see if I can kind of. Mix that around. Clean up, clean up. I gotta wait for that preheat to go beep. Take about 13 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Oh, do you guys want to see my new bows that we just got when we went to Michigan? Wow. I love these bows. Just reminds me of summer. That's why we had to get them. I want to get more like these. If they actually make more like lemon ones, I'm gonna have to see if they make more like that because these ones are cute. I got 4 of them. 4 cups, 4 bows. Did that go beep beep yet? Nope, no beep beep. They smell so good. They actually smell like blueberries. And they're not even cooked yet. Makes great pancakes. I don't know if I really want to try these with pancakes.
I did.
Oh, you did?
I didn't like it.
Well, I don't eat pancakes anyways. I'm not a pancake person.
It tasted like a pancake of muffin, and it just didn't make sense in my brain.
A pancake muffin?
Yeah.
I don't know if I would, because I'm not a pancake flavored. I'm French toast. Any day. Beep beep yet? No beep beep? There's no beep beep going on. I should always preheat. That's why it's called preheat. I mean, even the box ingredient says to preheat and then mix everything together. Well, I kind of skip that step all the time, which is why we're sitting here waiting, twiddling my thumbs, which I really am doing. Let's go! Hurry up! I did not realize it took it this long to preheat an oven. I think I screwed these up. We'll see when it bakes, if the oven ever preheats and goes beep beep. I'm so excited. I just can't wait to try them. I wanna eat them all. Yeah, I know, keep my day job, which I don't have one, so I can't do anything. Cooking, singing, waiting. Period, 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 period. Come on! That music for the buzzers. Where's that music buzzer? Na 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 na. What is it? Ding 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 ding. I don't know what it is. Like the game show. Yes, that's it. Maybe the Jeopardy or Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. I think it's maybe Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This is all you get to see, is it? Because our oven's broke now. We don't know what happened to it. Maybe because we have not used it since we moved here. No, I lied. We used it on my last video. Oh, wow. I gotta start cooking more. I feel like doing what my dog's doing right now. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes, we get to put it in. We get to put it in. Oh yeah. Since it says 13 to 15, I'll put it on for 14. Oh yes, we got it in. It's in. Our oven works. Okay, we'll be back. Now, they are done. Ooh, our yummy looking muffins. Look how great them look. And they did not mess up like I thought they would. Let's go ahead and put them on a plate. Put them, the babies, on a plate. We are gonna have to wait till they cool down. Go ahead and get them out. Oh yeah, look at them. Can't wait till they cool down. Get into them. All gotta do is, I eat them like that, but you can put some butter on top of them. Let it just melt it. Eat it right on up. This is my favorite thing to do, is make some food. Fill the belly up. They say Cooking is a man's best, well, cooking, a man's best friend is a dog. Cooking is what gets to a man's heart. That's it. A man's best friend is, wherever he is. There you go. Man's best friend is a dog. Even if you don't know how to cook, you got recipes, which is what I do. Thanks for watching my blueberry muffin. I will see you in the next one. Bye.